Let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is science? Let- Well, science is a body of knowledge that explains how things work, whether it's the tiniest cell or vast universe.
And then we have technology. Technology is all about using tools, methods, and techniques to solve problems or make things happen, whether it making life easier or creating way of doing things.
Now, nation building, that's the process of developing the structure that hold a country together, economically, politically, and socially. And science and tech, they are essential to this process.
It's like building a house. Science provides the materials and technology helps you to put everything together while nation buildings the blueprint. The whole things work together. And don't
Let's take a trip back in time and look at some key historical contribution. First up, ancient Egypt.
The Egyptians were amazing. They figured out how to build massive pyramids, and their math and engineering knowledge laid the foundation for modern architecture.
and don't forget the ancient China. They invented the compass and paper, two things that literally changed the world. A compass helped them navigate the papers, spread knowledge everywhere.
So now, let's look Philippines. Before colonization, indigenous Filipinos had advanced agricultural techniques and even ocean navigation methods that helped them trade and communicate across the islands.
These civilizations didn't just invent cool things, they laid the groundwork for progress, and those ideas traveled far behind their borders.
Moving forward, during the Spanish colonial period, new crops and agricultural techniques were introduced. An educational system grew stronger with the founding of the University of Santo Tomas.
Then, under the American colonial period, science and technology took another leap. The Philippines showed the rise of research institutions like the Bureau of Government Laboratories, which helped with public health and scientific research.
It's fascinating how these periods of colonization pushed the development of technology and research, even though it wasn't always smooth sailing.
Fast forward to today, and we see huge advancements: space exploration, renewable energy, new medicines. Science and technology are driving the future of nations.
Totally, and think about the internet. It's literally transformed how we live, work, and communicate. Modern technology is shaping countries' economies and culture, connecting people globally in ways we could never imagine before.
And this impact is not just for the big countries. Every nation uses this advancement to improve lives, boost economies, and stay competitive.
So now let's get into how science and technology actually help build nations. They're like tools that help countries grow economically, socially, politically, and even globally.
Right? Think about how many inventions can create jobs, improve health, and even make life easier, whether it's through better infrastructure or innovative policy.
For economic growth, tech boosts industries like agriculture and manufacturing. Take the Philippines' use of drone mapping and satellite remote sensing in farming. It's helped farmers increase productivity and reduce waste.
In social development, science improves healthcare, education, and living standards. Just look at the research being done to fight diseases and improve our quality of life.
Politics isn't left out either. Technology helps with things like voting system, electronic voting, and even blockchain are making elections more transparent and efficient.
And culturally, technology connects nations globally. Social media, streaming platforms, these innovations are breaking down barriers and bringing people closer together.
In ancient Egypt, the advancement of medicines and architecture paved the way for the future innovations.
Let's look at some examples. The United States, with the space program, didn't just send people to the moon, they also fueled innovation in material science, computer, technology, and rocket propulsion.
Then there's Japan. They become global leaders in robotics with technologies that's not only changing factories but also improving healthcare and daily life.
And let's not forget South Korea. They're pioneers in smartphones, digital media, and internet technology. Their innovation have had a major global impact.
These countries show us how science and technology can drive economic growth and national pride while also creating global influence.
Technology isn't just about gadgets, it also shapes politics. Imagine electronic voting machines speeding up the counting process, or blockchain ensuring election transparency.
Plus, tech helps governments streamline public services, from tax payments to applying for permits online. It's all about the efficiency and the accessibility.
And it's not just about making things faster. These technologies also improve trust and accountability in governments, making sure people's voices are heard.
While technology brings immense benefits, there are challenges such as the digital device, cybersecurity risks, and privacy concerns that need to be addressed for technology to serve all people equally.